1957 Ford Thunderbird, price, $100,000, located in Sarasota, Florida, year, 1957. Step into the golden era of American automotive excellence with this breathtaking 1957 Ford Thunderbird. A rare and masterfully restored example, this iconic convertible is more than just a car. It's a symbol of timeless style, craftsmanship, and engineering that defined a generation. With only 947 miles logged since its complete rebuild in 2003 by the renowned Marvin Hill of Hills Classics, this Thunderbird is a crown jewel among vintage classics. Currently housed in a climate-controlled facility in Sarasota, Florida as part of a prestigious private collection, it has been cherished and meticulously maintained to an award-winning standard. This 1957 Thunderbird isn't just another restored vehicle. It's an artistic statement on wheels, a beautifully sculpted machine that has captivated the attention of judges and car show aficionados across the country. Its credentials speak volumes: a senior modified gold medallion award winner, scoring an outstanding 248+ out of 250 points multiple times, a preservation gold award recipient in 2006, and a showstopper wherever it goes. The car is offered at $100,000 and is worth every penny for the enthusiast who understands the rarity and significance of such a pristine piece of automotive history. From the very first glance, this Thunderbird commands respect. Dressed in a dazzling white exterior that gleams like a freshly polished pearl under the Florida sun, the body lines are sharp, the chrome bumpers and signature grille shine with mirror-like brilliance, and every detail has been preserved or improved to perfection. The fender skirts evoke the elegance of mid-century automotive design, while the Kelsey Hayes wire wheels finish the look with an unmistakable flair of class and sophistication. Open the door and you're immediately embraced by a rich red leather interior, an iconic pairing with a white exterior that screams 1950s luxury. The cabin is immaculately appointed, from the bucket seats to the dash, all restored to showroom condition or better. Everything you touch, from the steering wheel to the gauges, reflects a commitment to authenticity and excellence. Equipped with auto meter gauges, a premium AM/FM/cassette stereo system, and period-correct heater and defroster, this Thunderbird blends classic style with subtle modern enhancements for improved usability. Under the hood, this classic beauty roars to life with a powerful and reliable 5.0L V8 engine. It delivers the perfect blend of old-school muscle and modern dependability, mated to a smooth automatic transmission for an effortless driving experience. Whether you're cruising along the coast or displaying it on the show field, this Thunderbird offers both power and grace. Fuel injection ensures crisp performance, while rear-wheel drive keeps the drive authentic and responsive, just as it was meant to be. But what truly sets this vehicle apart is the level of care, investment, and love that has gone into its restoration. Every inch, every bolt, and every finish has been thoughtfully considered and executed without compromise. This was not a budget restoration, it was a passion project led by one of the most respected builders in the business, Marvin Hill of Hills Classics. His work is legendary, and the results speak for themselves. No expense spared isn't a cliché here, it's a fact. From its fit and finish to its flawless mechanical operation, this Thunderbird is in mint condition both cosmetically and mechanically. Its low mileage, just 947 miles since the build, means it is virtually untouched by time or wear. This is a collector's dream, a car that you can proudly present at any concours d'elegance, yet one you can also enjoy on the open road without hesitation. The vehicle has been stored in a climate-controlled environment, kept on a tender when not in use, and maintained with extreme diligence to ensure it remains in peak condition. All of this makes this Thunderbird more than just a classic car. It is a time capsule, a statement piece, and a truly unique collectible. With its show history and elite awards, it qualifies as one of the most well-preserved and highest-regarded examples of its kind. Some of the original awards and documentation will also be included with the sale, adding provenance and prestige to an already exceptional car. The 1957 model year marked the final chapter of the original Thunderbird two-seater, making it highly sought after by collectors and historians alike. This was the year Ford perfected the formula, and this car is proof of that. With its bold styling, convertible top, and undeniable presence, it is a showstopper that captures the essence of American automotive heritage. Whether you're an experienced collector searching for that perfect addition to your stable, or a passionate enthusiast ready to own a piece of motoring legend, this 1957 Ford Thunderbird offers an unmatched opportunity. It's the kind of vehicle that doesn't just turn heads, it stops people in their tracks. Men admire it. Women adore it. Legends recognize it. Make no mistake, this is not a car you will find every day. It's not a fixer-upper or a garage project waiting to be completed. It is a fully restored, award-winning show-ready machine that's as comfortable on a judging field as it is cruising through town. This car is ready for the spotlight, and it deserves to be in the hands of someone who appreciates its rarity, history, and beauty. If you are looking for a classic that embodies the golden age of American motoring and presents an unbeatable blend of style, substance, and significance, this is the car. Serious buyers are invited to inquire for additional details and a private showing. You will not be disappointed. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to own one of the most extraordinary examples of a 1957 Ford Thunderbird in existence today.